Hey guys! When I say hey guys, I didn't forget about the 20% female that's watching my channel. When I was looking around, searching for something to cast, I found these toys. They are small, simple, and easy to make a mold from them. And to do that, I gathered all the aluminum that I collected on my previous videos. These all from melting cans. And I also have this. And these are from a sport car rim. Check the video link to see how did I collect it. I have an old hard drive, I cut it into pieces so I can melt it. And finally I have this aluminum bicycle rim. I cut it into pieces and it weighs about 366 grams, which is very good. Yeah, now I guess I have enough aluminum to do whatever I want. 1233 grams of aluminum. Woo! Now you might say, you can't cast aluminum at home without a backyard or a garage or a big massive balcony, and you have to buy some special expensive equipment. But the fact is, you don't have to buy a special expensive equipment. You don't have to buy anything at all. And you don't need any space. You can do it in your bedroom if you want. The Foundry itself cost me like $2. And now let me show you all the tools that I was gonna use in this video. First, I made this from random scrap wood. As you can see, it's just a mix of all types of wood. But when you do this, make sure it's flat from both sides. Don't do my mistake. And make sure both of them can fit on top of each other from one direction. And this is my other tools. As you can see, it is just garbage. Some of it you will be highly disgusted to collect if you find it on the floor. Once you have everything, prepare your casting sand. And this sand is mixed of soft, smooth beach sand and clay. It should be like this after you add some water into it. If you didn't get this result, add more water or add more sand. Now, just watch and learn from my skills. It was my first time doing this, but I watched more than 100 videos on YouTube to master this. Yup, just from watching videos. I forgot to tell you that we also need some baby powder. Yeah, always make sure it's soft and smooth. Always make an extra mold to pour any extra aluminum. Nice. I think that's enough. Remove the slab. In case if you didn't notice, I did all that on my small balcony. You might say, I don't have any space to do anything. But the fact is you have. You have more than you need. But you don't know yet. But you know what? I will find you. And I will That's nice. Now let's see what we got. As you can see, it's melted and become frozen again. It's not melted, it's burned. So don't use hot glue. Don't use any kind of glue. You're gonna see that now. This one's still hot. And this is the final result. And it's actually went very well. Look at the details. That's cool. And because I'm a professional, I made the feeding hole so small and tight, so you can break it so easily without destroying the mold or affecting the shape. Not everyone can do that, and you are learning from the professional now, from the expert. And I did that by mistake. Unfortunately, I'm limited with my equipment, and I don't have any tool that can cut, sand, or carve metals. I made a goal on Patreon 5 months ago to buy an electric grinding tool or a Dremel, whatever you called it, but it seemed that nobody cared. So I decided to buy it myself. And I discovered that it will gonna take more than 3 weeks to arrive. And that's too long. I didn't give up. I tried to sand it with whatever I have, but it didn't work. And nothing changed. It still looks ugly. So at the end, I decided to do everything with Photoshop. The easiest, the cheapest way. I already ordered the Dremel. It might not arrive today, or tomorrow, or next week, but one day it will gonna arrive. And I will gonna do it, and I will gonna show you that. I will never give up. It is just you and me on this fight. And I will gonna win.